A Pakistani economist says that security is important for Hong Kong's development, noting that the one country, two systems principle has been successful in ensuring long-term prosperity and stability for Hong Kong.
It's very important to ensure that there is security, there's safety in Hong Kong. This has been done to bring about stability. There are certain elements in society who are trying to create disturbances. Now stability has been restored. This one country, two system is working beautifully now, where you're seeing both sides now making sure that their talents are fully utilized. So you have a lot of very, very bright Hong Kong people working in the motherland, and you have people from the motherland coming into Hong Kong. So it's a growing, comprehensive arrangement which is very successful.